right in there.
Oh, I can move this. See this? This way here. You just get a straight shot, you know.
The
Go inside there and look. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Yeah. Okay. And this is the flashlight. Well, the thing is, you have to push it in, you know. Straight.
You have to push it.
You might hear the click.
It has to click in, yeah.
Right there.
Yeah,
See that?
right there. Yeah.
It's like a one time, but two times, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Has to click
It's
in.
supposed to make two clicks, you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Once it clicks
It's already in.
It's in the transmission, right? Is that the
So
transmission?
the driver's side, huh?
It is the transmission, the motor or the transmission?
This is the axle.
The axle is going
that's
inside
transmission housing.
Transmission housing. Okay,
Yeah.
It's going to the transmission housing.
So now you have to put this inside here. That's the other thing that's gonna be a little tricky here.
Yeah.
So I have to try to. That's why sometimes they remove this one here.
Yeah. Sometimes they have to move the brake.
I can do this. You know, make it work. I think that was like this. See right there. There. It's right there. See?
In the,
Gotta take this out.
so it goes through the transmission to the wheel.
Yeah, because I gotta bring the in here. See? Right there. Like, I think sometimes when you remove something, it's more hard than when you put it
Yeah,
in.
when you put it back, it's more easier.
It's a little more easy. So you gotta do that.
Yeah, put that bolt back in there. So you think you need an alignment after this?
Huh?
You need an alignment. You need alignment after changing the axle? Yes or no?
Well, the alignment is maybe the
The
bolt
tire.
joints maybe bad, you know, like this here.
Do you need an alignment if you
Yeah.
change the axle?
No, the axle is not the same like
Like the tie rods.
that's when you do the
tie rods and stuff.
tie rod, yeah, and the bolt joints, you know.
Okay.
Because before they were like maybe loose.
Yeah.
So now, yeah, the bottom here, this bolt joint is going, you know.
It's going, huh?
Yeah, that's the
That's
one
another
you
job
have
for
to
another.
replace, but you can order this online, you know. That's
Yeah.
the lower arm
Yeah.
here, and that one has the bolt joint already in place.
Okay. So it comes with a ball joint.
Yeah, it's cheaper.
Okay.
I mean, it's better than if you go to AutoZone, it's more expensive.
So it's going.
And the thing has the new rubber assembling on the lower arm too.
Okay.
It's one piece, you know.
Yeah.
Like just ready to put it in.
Yeah, it come in a whole big piece like this. Just
Yeah.
The bolt bolted over there on that side, another bolt on that side.
Yeah.
So that's good now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotta tie this.
There's no bracket that goes inside.
On that one, no.
Okay.
Only the other one. So they're gonna tie this. Just this in here. I'll bring my gun. Quick.
Yeah.
Maybe stop me.
Man, to have that gun is a big thing. I'm telling you, man. If you don't have that gun, you're gonna be there all day, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah. This is. That's for the.
So it's already. You just did it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To this side here. I think this is the same size.
Yeah. To have that
No, that's
gun.
the other one. This one here. because this one has to go like this, something like this. You didn't see it, right?
Yeah, it's tight.
Push. Forgot this.
You put a screwdriver in there.
Something gets stuck.
Okay.
It's coming off a little. See? So that's short. This is short. I don't have, I think, the long one.
Right.
You just gotta do this here. Guys, now I can finish this with the big ratchet. This one here. That's too long.
So taking it out is more difficult than putting it back in.
Yeah. Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah, that's putting in a driver side axle.
Just to go a little more. I think this is like 15, 16s. Maybe.
Let us know what you think about this video, and check us when you come back to doing the passenger side. Yeah, we're putting in a driver side axle on this Ford Fusion car. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.